Hi everyone, it's Deb and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching my other videos and commenting. I appreciate that. Today I am showing you my newest kit. It's called Country Garden and I believe it's 45 pages, so it's quite a large kit. So we'll just get started. The main colors are blue and yellow. And I think it's my favorite kit that I have made to date. So it's been a while since I've been on YouTube. Life gets in the way sometimes. So this has a variety of pages that you can use or not. I printed these off on Epson presentation paper. I believe it was 45 pound. And I plan on putting them back through the printer to put backs on them, because I didn't back any of these. So there are trellises and gates and, you know, that kind of thing. Oh, and a door. There's a door. I incorporated a bit of a door and a couple of, well, I think there's about 3 ladies in my kit. Some trellises. Mother and child picking flowers in the garden, and a ghost of a home garden, or a country home back there, hence Country Garden. This is a little bit more modern, but I was thinking that I would kind of grunge this up a little bit. It's a little white for me, but I couldn't change the color of just the house without changing the color of everything else. So if I just add a little bit of inking maybe in here, I'd feel better about it. But it might look good just the way it is. Like, so let's see. I think it might look good just the way it is because of the coloring. So we'll see. A little more trellising. Some flowers widespread. So that's the main kit. Main pages. And it's sold all as one. Everything is one. It's not divided. You buy the whole kit. So I'm just going to put these over here for now. Those are our backgrounds. And I'll just make sure that you can see that. Well, yeah, I'm a little high there. I hope I wasn't high the whole time through that. So I have a lot of elements here that you can cut out, use as cards, whatever you want to do. There's lots and lots and lots here. Pages and pages. Now, I'm not sure about this. I want to get my measuring here. I wanted to see how actually wide. Well, this is 2 inches. My thought of these aprons, like I took the tops off And I thought cutting them would be nice tucks. And I also thought, well, it's a 2-inch tag that you could put in there. But maybe you won't have to. Maybe you just glue down the sides and across the bottom, and that will be strong enough if you use strong enough paper. Now, I think that this 45-pound paper would be fine for that. And I'm gonna give this a try and see what happens. But I thought these would make the cutest darn pockets. So, and that's my large envelope. Then these are things I always put in my kits. These are belly bands. This is more belly bands. And I always put washi tape. Flags and tabs. And of course mini folders. On mine I used a couple of my gals. However, doesn't stop you from cutting this out and using this as a template. You could use this as a template to cut out mini folders on any of the pages, or any pages for that matter. Just a little side note there. And these are pockets without sides that fold. Now, if you prefer a gusseted pocket, you could always add a bit of a gusset here, a folded gusset, if you wanted to do that. Large tags. Here's side pockets that are folded. You fold, fold, and fold, and those tuck back, and you glue those down. So these are also folded pockets, but a different style. And you just fold on the dotted lines. You might not be able to see that, but the dotted lines are there. Okay, so that's ephemera. Then we have the background pages. You probably can't even see these that well because that one is yellow and it's really muted. Just so that you can use these as backgrounds, and people will be able to journal on the back. That's what these are for. Just for journaling. Or whatever you think to create with them. That, it's entirely up to you. I'm holding them up a little bit so that you can sort of see. And here's a muted one. And I did the same with that one. So that's my new kit called Country Garden. I spent days working on it. I love it. It's my favorite, probably, yeah, like I said, my favorite to date. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Bye, everyone.